Hey Avid, here are your marching orders for the week of April 20th to the 24th. Um, you will still have some planners to post. However, it's not going to be every day this week, and there will be two assignments that involve some discussion posts. So I'm going to switch to this slide so it's nice and big. You'll only have three planner checks. That'll be on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for a total of 15 points this week. Means I'm giving a little bit of a break on Monday and Friday. Monday, I'd like you to work on this discussion post within the folder. You are going to watch a TED Talk that's linked in there about how to make stress your friend. The instructions are to watch the video. It's about 12 minutes or so, I think. Number two is to post a complete paragraph that touches on three different reasons that stress can be a good thing in your life based on this video. In it, I'd like you to use the word oxytocin at least once, get some science in there. And then finally, number three is to post a comment, a supportive, meaningful comment to someone else in the class. You won't be able to see anybody's posts until you make a post yourself, just so you know. Tuesday, then, we've got our planner check, and then there's another discussion post related item where instead of a video, you'll read a really short article, and then describe in the discussion post three different people who make you smile and how you're going to recognize them this week. So something positive that we can be reflecting on this week when you're probably growing short on patience with this whole social distancing thing. Wednesday, easy day, just a planner check to post. Thursday, another planner check, but then attend your tutorial group. You should have gotten an invite from one of the tutors for this. Make sure you're prompt, showing up at 10:30 for that. Family Friday, again, is another optional, Google Meet where you can see me and your other classmates, and also just ask questions if you have any moving forward. So that's the week this week. Let me know if you have any issues, and thanks for watching.